What's up, guys? I hope everybody's doing well out there. You know what? What is wrong with some of these expats here living in the Philippines? Not all, but some. What do I mean? You know, I'm going to share a couple stories with you. You know, here right now, like everywhere else, they're asking you to abide by certain rules here in the Philippines. Excuse me. You know, they're saying, okay, it's okay to go out and get groceries. It's okay to go to the pharmacies. It's okay to go get your cat food, your dog food, your rooster food. But you know what? They ask you, hey, listen, if you're out and about, please abide by what we're asking you to do. Put a face mask on. Wear a mask. Social distancing. Anyways, I want to share a couple stories like I was just saying. I have a friend of mine. I was talking to him online, and he told me he went up to go pay his cable bill. And when he was inside the place, he was sitting there, and there was an expat sitting there without a face mask on. So one of the Filipino girls said to him, "Where's your mask?" He said, "I don't believe in that. I think it's a stupid rule." Girl went up and talked to the guard. Guard walked over to him and told him, "You gotta leave. You're not wearing a mask. You gotta leave." So I guess the guy turned and, had some nasty words to the girl. Well, my buddy, who was like 6'5", 6'4", 6'5", big guy, he stood up for the girl. He said, "Hey, it's guys like you. It's the reason why we have this problem right now, and why things are going to get worse." The guy stormed out. Even when I was walking the other day to the pharmacy, I walked by 3 expats sitting on the road, no masks on, with a couple bottles of alcohol sitting there, just shooting the shit amongst themselves and drinking. What's wrong? Like, why can't some expats, follow what they're asking you to do? I mean, do they think they're better than people? They're above what's being asked? The last one I seen, and I was like, wow. I was watching a YouTube show, and this expat walking down the road, no mask on. You could tell the guy was even completely out of shape. He's huffing and puffing. And a few times he even had to stop. But there he is, just walking down the street with no mask on. I don't get it. I mean, that is why things are the way they are here, because people feel that they don't have to abide by what's being asked. This guy walking down the road, no mask on, saying how he loves the Philippines and respects the Philippines and the Philippine people and the Philippine culture in one breath, but by his face, he's showing he doesn't. My dad used to say actions speak louder than words. Psalms 23, "Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil." You're walking through the valley of the shadow of death without a mask on. Eventually, you're going to be laying in that valley of the shadow of death, looking up at the sky with a couple flowers planted on your grave. But yeah, I just don't get it. I mean, when I'm out and about, I have a mask on. Especially if I'm out and about filming and I got my face on the camera, I'm not going to show disrespect to the people here in the Philippines and the culture without abiding by what they're asking you. To me, that's disrespecting the people and the culture of the Philippines. But anyways, with that said, like I said, this is my 2 cents. And, if we're here in the Philippines, even no matter where you are right now, if the authorities are saying, put on a mask, wear a mask, put it on. Even if you don't believe in what's going on, they're asking you to put it on. Why run the risk of them stopping you and fining you? Makes no sense, but I guess, like I said, some people think they're better than the Philippines people, and their actions prove it. Anyways, The video you're going to see now, somebody sent it to me on Facebook yesterday. I did a video yesterday on about how the local authorities are going to start cracking down on everything here, and the measures they're going to take to implement these newer enhanced quarantine measures or decrees or whatever they have put into place here. But this person sent me a video, and it was right up the road from our store where this person filmed from. But anyways, check out this video. I apologize, the person that filmed this way, so you get, the screen in the middle. Instead of flipping it this way and getting the whole screen, they filmed it this way. So, but anyways, it's interesting to see how they, how the local authorities here are implementing these things. Anyways, enjoy the video, and guess what? Do not think you are better than anybody else here in the Philippines. Put on a mask, especially if you're older and out of shape and you have to go out. Wear a mask.
Bawal na pong yaning makanya, no?
Di ba, tabi lang tayo.
Di ba, ilinay ka bakit?
Tabi lang tayo.
Maglalakay pa. Maglalakay pa. Maglalakay pa.
Yan.
Item ito. Yan, tabi mo lang. Tabi mo lang.
Lalakay pa.
Tayo, tayo.
Gilid po.
Sir, sino po yung ticket nila?
Opo, nag-duty tayo pero wala tayo. Health plan. Ada picu pada tap
Dati ka ba mo rin ba?
Umaga ako dumaan din sa
Number ka ba? Dapat di ka na lumabas ka dahil sa trabaho mo. Nakuha ko ng konting pera sa trabaho. Mga security kasama sila sa motorized kasi.
Okay na po. Ay, sige. Mag-take a photo, sir. Saan mo lang?
Ito po, sir. Order po kasi ako sa Andrea. Sino po, ano po balik po ng wala po kami sa isa sa ano? Mamaneo kayo. Diba? Wala po kayong balik na ano? Hindi po yun po eh. Ito natin, sir. Order po kasi ako sa Andrea na karoon eh. Madali po yung bag po. Parang ako yung bag po.
Anong dahilan niyo po? Bakit nandito kayo?
Bibili lang po ng bigas. Wala na po bigas eh. Mga po 10 po, 50 pero.
Di po kayo namamasada?
Hindi po, promise. Namatay lang po. Wala mang po lisensya ma'am.
Wala kang lisensya, sir.
Pagalit mo na. Wala po kasi ako nakaraan dyan ma'am sa Adrian.
Pasensya na po. Bawal po talaga, sir.
Hindi, bibili lang po kasi ng
Magdadrive kang wala kang lisensya.
Pinapo kasi yung nalulog po eh. Naundap po kasi ako sa Adrian. Bibili lang po ako ng bigas. Parang awin na po ma'am.
Pasensya na, sir. Ganun po talaga. Taga saan ka?
Talagang po sa may nasakin. Yung balabago. Inuskulahan po. Parang awin na po.
Wala po. Wala din po kayong lisensya. May ating yung papiling pa. Kaya na, sir.
Ate nga po. Yung Xerox na lang po yung dinadala ko po. Ito po yun eh. Xerox po ng tricycle. Kasi tinapon po yun.
Oh, okay po. Okay. Hindi, yaan nyo na, sir.
Ma'am, pasensya po kayo ma'am. Nakawa na naman. Dinapo na naman ito.
Hindi po. Wala po tayong magagawa. Bawal po talaga, sir.
Dinapo ko ito.
Wala na po. Bawal po talaga, sir.
Ma'am, parang naman po. Bibili lang po sana ako ng bigas eh. Wala na po po sa akin sa bahay. Bibili lang ako po. Ate mo. Tama po, wala na po tayo lisensya. Mamaniyaw po tayo walang lisensya. Alam nyo na po bawal tayo magmaniyaw walang lisensya. Pag inarkias ito, mas malaki pa yung lisensya babayaran. Mas pagagalitan talaga kayo kasi wala kayo nagmamaniyaw walang lisensya.